Did you know fixing your credit could be this fast and easy? Just ask Mohammed El Hassan. Mohammed recently shared his incredible experience with Australian Credit Solutions. Within just a week of signing up, they removed a default from his credit report. Surprised? So was he. Mohammed highlighted Anjali's exceptional explanations and patience. She broke down the credit fixing process step by step, making it easy to understand. Plus, Yuliza was there every step of the way, guiding him on necessary documents and providing timely updates. Thanks to Anjali, Yuliza, and the entire team, Mohammed now feels hopeful and confident about his financial future. He highly recommends Australian Credit Solutions to anyone needing quick and effective credit improvement. Ready to start your own journey? Trust the experts at Australian Credit Solutions to help you on the path to financial freedom. Visit our website today and see what we can do for you.